morning, everybody. Welcome to another week of Take Me to the River. Today we're on the Lower Rouge again in Inkster Park. So if you'll join me for the next few minutes and just enjoy the beautiful nature. We've heard lots of birds out here this morning. We're seeing some lovely. You might not be able to see them on the camera, but they're there. We've heard lots of different things, so take this time to enjoy it with me. Just saw a blue jay fly over there by a tree. Let me know what other kind of birds you guys hear. I'm unfamiliar with all of them, but I know that there's a couple different kinds I hear. Just a beautiful, scenic river. You can imagine yourself kayaking and canoeing down it on a beautiful summer's day. Thanks for joining me today on the Lower Rouge in Inkster. We hope that you can get outside now that some of the restrictions have been lifted and get out and enjoy some of the river. There's tons of places to explore on the Rouge, and this is just one. So let us know what your favorite spot on the river is. Until next week, stay safe and healthy, and we'll see you then. Bye.